Hi everyone, and welcome to another class that focuses on business phrases. So this is the second class that focuses on terminology used to talk business in the English language. Let's begin. Riding high. To be very successful. The president is still riding high in all the opinion polls. Flying start. Facebook Inc. got off to a flying start and exceeded all forecasts. Strength to strength. To gradually become more successful. Samsung continues to go from strength to strength. Flying colors. That was a very difficult task you had to do, and you came through it with flying colors. Make it big. Rihanna worked in a clothes store before she made it big in the music industry. Come into one's own. Olivia speaks fluent Mandarin, so she really came into her own when we took a business trip to Beijing. Cowboy. An untrustworthy or irresponsible business person. Cut corners. To do something in the easiest way. Cog in the machine. A small part of a much larger organization. Chew something over. To think about something for a while. Proficient. Skilled at doing something. Well-versed. Branch. A location other than the main office where business is conducted. Deal. An agreement or transaction. Quarter. A 3-month period on a financial calendar that acts as a basis for the reporting of earnings and the paying of dividends. Leading edge. The most modern and advanced position in an activity or field of research, also referred to as cutting edge. Leading the field. There's a lot of competition in the Latin market, but we're leading the field. Sink or swim. Either it will be a success or it will not. We have to let the project sink or swim. Make or break time. Now is the moment to see if it's a success or a failure. It's make or break time. Pipped at the post. We almost got the contract, but we were pipped at the post by our Korean competitors. Claw one's way back. We were on the brink of bankruptcy, and we had to gradually claw our way back. Close a deal. To end negotiations after reaching an agreement. Cut it fine. To only leave yourself just enough time to do something. Numbers. The figures, statistics, or calculations. Crash course. A quick and intense course of training. Cut one's losses. To withdraw from a losing situation. Cutthroat. Tough or mean competition. Creative accounting. The use of questionable accounting techniques to mislead people. Clear the decks. To stop what you're doing in order to do something more important. Follow along as we read through the text. Global Inc. and the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, announced they are partnering together to provide high-speed data access in rural and other underserved areas. Aaron Godfrey, Global's chief executive, was employed to engineer a turnaround at the firm following 2 disappointing quarters last year. The firm's plans for expansion correspond with the FCC's initiative to free up high-frequency spectrum in rural areas where telephone and cable lines have yet to be upgraded to carry high-speed internet services. Mr. Godfrey stated that the firm would not be neglecting their other services, hinting at plans to claw their way back into the software market. It represents a huge success for Global Inc. after being pipped to the post while trying to close a deal with the Defense Department last year. I intend to take advantage of the revenue potential across our entire business. Our long-term objective is for consistent, sustainable growth, said Mr. Godfrey. We've gone from strength to strength this year, and we continue to remain optimistic about the future. Shareholders are said to be particularly upbeat about the long-term outlook. Comprehension practice. Complete these sentences. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.